Hey, please watch this short video and you will get the answers you are seeking.
To maintain healthy and glowing skin for men, cleansing face is important. That's why the first step of a men's facial at skincare clinic or day spa is cleansing. Okay, so is there a right way to cleanse men's face? Of course. Generally speaking, if you are a man, your face is coarse and oily. So, you better to cleanse your face well. You may think, come on, it's only washing face. But don't underestimate it. Washing face the right way can make a difference in your skin's health and appearance. Just splashing some water is cleansing face for many men. But it takes a little more work than that if you want healthy, glowing, and clearer skin. It's worth the effort to get it right. Cleansing your face washes away dirt, dust and anything else that might clog your pores. And, depending on the type of cleanser you use, it could also help treat specific skin conditions like pimples, razor bumps and breakouts, or dryness. Sounds great, right? Let's begin. Here are some easy ways to make sure you're cleansing properly. Some articles may say, cleansing your face every night is good enough, because you want to keep the oil that your skin naturally produces for the moisturized effect. But, cleansing every morning and every night is the right way. Remember, you should always keep your face clean for your skin's health. Clean skin is the healthy skin. Men's face is generally coarse and oily, so, use a deep cleanser that can dissolve and remove sebum and bacteria in pores, or use a gentle cleanser after shaving. Second, use the right water temperature. Washing your face with hot water feels really nice, but it can actually damage the delicate skin on your face, even though you have coarse skin. Hot water can cause dilation of blood vessels, and breakage of delicate tissue. The hot water naturally strips skin of the necessary oil barrier that helps maintain skin integrity. This means, your skin may lose its elasticity faster, and may form deeper lines and wrinkles over time. This is especially an issue for men who have oily skin and large pores. Also, heat can be a trigger for early aging of eye areas, because eye areas are dry even for men's skin. Hot water for men's face is okay, but not too much. And not too long. You can also use nicely steamed towels sometimes. That feels good. It helps open pores, to expel excessive sebum, and bacteria kept in pores. That's why, when you go to a day spa for a professional facial, your face usually gets wrapped with a nicely steamed towel, as a part of men's facial. But, for your daily cleansing at home, the basic rule is, use lukewarm water to wash your face. Third, make sure to use a cleanser that's right for your skin type. For those who have oily skin, it's recommendable to try cleansers with salicylic or glycolic acid, as known as BHA and AHA. A basic rule is, choose a gentle, yet deep cleanser. Men's face also can be sensitive, especially after shaving. Then, use a gentle cleanser. If your cleansers don't work for you, try a different one. If you can't find a suitable cleanser by yourself, it's worth checking in with an esthetician, or your own doctor, to figure out what will work for you. Fourth, wash your face as often as you have to. Ideally, you should wash your face twice a day, once in the morning, and once at night, as well as after workouts, or any other excessive sweating, and when your face gets dirty. But, that's really the maximum. Don't wash your face 20 times a day, that's crazy, right? Try not to scrub, or not to lather aggressively. Very importantly, your towel must be very clean. So make sure that your towels are always clean. It's not only face washing, consistency is important for many things. Make it your habit, then your face will be always glowing and healthy.
I really hope you found this video useful. Thanks a lot for watching.